Alright guys, if you're wondering when you need to change your brake pads, there's lots of different things that could go into deciding when you need to change your brake pads, like how you drive, how many miles you have on your brake pads, if they're squeaking, anything like that. There's lots of telltale signs that tell you that you should change your brake pads. One of the easiest ways to actually know if you need to change your brake pad is to look at your brake fluid. So if you look at your brake fluid reservoir here, it's usually always going to be at the max line if the brake pads are good. This is a closed system, so brake fluid is never going to dissipate or disappear from this reservoir unless it's leaking somewhere. So as long as it's not leaking, this should always be around that max line. Right now you can see mine is definitely down a little bit. That's because my back brake pads are at 3 millimeters. They usually should be about 10 centimeters or millimeters if they're brand new. So they definitely need to be replaced. Therefore, that extra brake fluid is actually gone to those back brake pads right now because it needs to push that caliper out farther. Therefore, you can actually tell if your brake pads are worn just by looking at your brake fluid.